Okay, 463 is kind of a ridiculous question because I don't think that the price of sandwiches is linear. But anyway, let's assume that it is, right? So if a 4-inch sub sells for $2.95, they're saying how much should a sub that's 50 inches long sell for, right? So there's that question mark right there. So this one we could do two ways. We could cross multiply, or we could figure out what happened in the numerator. So 4 times, 12.5, right, is 50. So that means we have to multiply this by 12.5. So 295 times 12.5, 12.5. We have to multiply this out, so I'll do that. 5, 2, 47, 4, 10, 14. Okay, then 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1, 18, 19. Carry the 1, 4, 5. And then 5, 9, 2. And we get 5, 7, 18, 16, 3. And then 1, 2, 3 decimal places. 36.875. So that would round to $36.88. Now again, this is assuming that sandwiches are linear and they're proportional in price, which probably isn't true, but that's what we have to work with.